Welcome to Cert-Exams.com. In this video, we review Cert-Ex A Lab Simulator for CompTIA A+ certification. The Cert-Exams.com A+ Lab Simulator provides a virtual lab environment that allows you to practice hardware and software configurations. The simulator includes labs covering topics such as motherboard configuration, memory upgrades, network troubleshooting, and more. The software is ideal for candidates preparing for CompTIA A+ exams and for general learning purpose. Important features of the Cert-Exams.com A+ Lab Simulator. Virtual Lab Environment. The Lab Simulator provides a virtual lab environment that allows you to practice hands-on hardware and software configurations on virtual machines, without the need for physical hardware. Wide range of labs. The Lab Simulator includes a range of labs covering topics such as motherboard configuration, memory upgrades, network troubleshooting, and more, providing a comprehensive set of scenarios to practice on. Detailed instructions. Each lab comes with detailed instructions, including screenshots and step-by-step procedures, to guide you through the process of configuring hardware and software. Safe, simulated environment. The Lab Simulator provides a safe environment to practice hardware and software configurations, without the risk of damaging physical hardware. Schools and training institutes, particularly suitable for schools and training institutes that impart training classes without having to actually reconfiguring PCs or networks. Dozens of labs have been provided for thorough hands-on prep. Few sample labs given below for reference. Identifying motherboard components. Identifying twisted pair cable types, such as Cat5, 6, etc., with their speeds. Identifying features of laser printer components. Manage location services in Windows 10. Enabling the MAC address filtering in the WAP device. Configure security encryption to WPA2 with passphrase. Identifying the features of mobile devices, such as ARM, Bluetooth, etc. Connecting smartphone to POP3 email server. Troubleshoot Wi-Fi connection on a Windows workstation. For complete list of labs offered, please refer to our website. Overall, the Cert-Exams.com CompTIA A+ Lab Simulator provides a comprehensive set of labs and a safe, simulated environment to practice hands-on hardware and software configurations, helping you build the skills and confidence you need to pass the CompTIA A+ certification exam. Download a trial version of the LabSim from Cert-Exams.com website. Disclaimer: please note that the LabSim software is for learning purposes only and not recommended to be used in actual environment. Cert-Exams.com is not associated with CompTIA organization or any other entity. Please read our full disclaimer at Cert-Exams.com. Thank you. Please visit Cert-Exams.com for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates.